Hey sociologists, how are you this Monday morning? I just want to touch base with you and kind of walk you through the last two modules because we're basically at the end. Last week you had social movements and social change, and you were to post in that discussion forum. But you also have pick a chapter, but that's not due until the 19th, which is in 6 days. But then you also have your final, which has been open since last week too. So you should go in and check it out. You probably already did. You probably are hard at work even as we speak. But in case you're not, I just want to let you know. So what's left to do is the pick a chapter, the final, and the what has shifted. Okay, so make sure you get into all those. Those are due, those are required. You're welcome to post in open feedback, and you can take a peek at participation grade, but basically I calculate that based on how many posts you've missed. And so if you're concerned about that or don't know what that looks like, go all the way up to the top. And here's the discussion guidelines, and that gives you the whole run through of what I take points off for. So anyways, and there's nothing to do about it. I just will enter them once we have gotten all the discussions posted, which will be after the semester ends because they're due on the 22nd, the last one. So anyways, that's where you're at. It's been a good semester. Hopefully you learned a little bit about sociology and you find it to be useful. And I hope you guys have a great summer. If I don't post again, I'll probably post again next week just to nag you about the final. But in general, thanks for all your hard work, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Take good care.